butterfly slow motion, butterfly flying in garden, butterfly flower. Metamorphosis is the biological process through which a butterfly changes shape completely, from egg to adult. It shows how life can go through big changes. It all begins when a female butterfly lays tiny eggs on a leaf. These eggs are the first step of the life cycle. Butterfly eggs are often very small. Some look like tiny dots. The female chooses the perfect leaf so the baby caterpillar has food as soon as it hatches. Soon a tiny caterpillar hatches. Its main job? Eat, eat, and eat. It grows fast by munching on leaves all day. The larva grows by shedding its skin several times. It can grow 100 times its original size. Its only job now is to prepare for the big transformation. Then something amazing happens. The caterpillar forms a chrysalis, a protective shell, and begins to change inside. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar's body breaks down and reforms. This is the most mysterious part. It turns into a completely new creature. After days or weeks, the chrysalis breaks open and out comes a beautiful butterfly ready to fly. The adult butterfly emerges slowly, drying and pumping fluid into its wings before taking flight for the first time. From a tiny egg to a flying beauty, the butterfly's life is a reminder of nature's magic. Metamorphosis is not just about change. It's about growth, patience, and hidden beauty. Every stage has a purpose.